Okay, so this is a brief explanation of just about the simplest kind of Java program you can write. This is the Hello World program. So first of all, notice that some of these words are in purple and some of them are in black and some of them are in grey. This is essentially to tell you something about the different meaning of these various kinds of parts of this program. The words that are in purple are reserved words in Java. They mean a specific thing. You can't use them for anything else. The words that are in black are identifiers. They are names that are chosen either by you or by someone else to represent things in your program. In practice, most of the things in here are chosen by someone else and you can't actually change them, but if you were the developer of Java, you could have had input into that to start with, but of course we're not. The grey parts are literals. They're actual pieces of text that actually appear as you say. In this case, there's a sequence of characters that appear between quote marks, and this is the literal sequence or string of characters hello world exclamation mark. Notice also that there are various brackets around the place and that they always match up. In fact, this editor allows me to click one and the matching one is highlighted in the same color red. So that one matches that one matches that one matches that one, and this one matches this one. Now within here the first two lines are pretty much standard and you would write pretty much exactly this in every single Java program you write. We will explain what these various words mean progressively as the course goes on, but for now the only thing that you should write differently in any new program you write is the name you choose here. In this case we've called this program hello. This is essentially the name of the program, and notice that the name of the file it's stored in is hello.java and that the case matches. This is a capital H, this is a capital H. You should always store your Java programs in a file with the same name as the program. The rest of this you should really leave alone. Some of it you can change if you want to, but everyone uses this particular pattern, and a lot of what we do in programming is about convention, people following standard sets of rules to make our programs as readable as possible. In this particular case, the actual work the program does is between this opening curly bracket here and this closing curly bracket here, and it only does the one thing. There's only one operational command in here, and it's system.out.println, which is the standard way in Java of printing a line of text to the screen, and it'll print whatever you put in the curly in those round brackets after it. In this case it's going to print out hello world, and there's another video that shows you how to compile and run this. The last thing to notice is that on the end of this program there's a semicolon, and nearly all commands and operations in Java will end with a semicolon. And if you leave any of these things out or spell anything wrong, the compiler will complain, and your program won't compile, and you'll have to fix it before you do. It's going to be very fussy about things like the case, the presence of semicolons, the fact that the brackets match, and so on.